Unenjere yamo yogoikirania eganga ye wizara y'ekisemi gwetera sector y'ekisukuru cy'obubundi nigo litkolya lero mulikyo munene ase sector y'ekisukuru cy'obubundi Dr. Esther Mworia kubatana no commissioner we county ya Kisii James Kamau aumeranie nabo bisa bangao kora se county ya Kisii nili ya Nyamira ligosanga igoro y'ekinjira cyokorenta ABASAE bange ase ekisukuru cy'obubundi elio banyole bumanyi bw'ekikosi cy'amaboko okwana nabaliki bamangana maega yo gokora egikarikyo ime esukuru y'obubundi ya Kisii nigo Dr. Esther Mworia hayenekire kubwatira nokuno wizara y'obulendi bweime elio goikirania eganka y'omurai wense yokorenta ABASAE goika $1 million goso ase ekisukuru cy'obubundi ase balira yogocha goikirania egetambukiro kyo mulikito Petro Machini naikira nasi nsemekyo nabo gutwaliganira roboti rokobwatia
tusalimie Madam PS tungare
because tunataka kupanga watoto and the opportunities we cannot satisfy.
Okwana nabariki maiga yogokore gikaro nabo bisabanga kure county ya Nyamira na Kisii esukuru y'obubundi ya Kisii niko muriki botamba se sector y'esukuru cy'obubundi mense ya Kenya Dr. Esther Mworia ayenekire kubwatira noko ne wizara y'obulendi bweime elio goikirania ganga y'omurai bwense yokoreta ABASAE wika $1 million goso ekisukuru cy'obubundi.
Today we are at the Kisii National Polytechnic. Since morning we have been having a meeting of our collaboration between the State Department of Tibet and Gao. PS Dr. Omolo and myself agreed that we were going to collaborate to bring the young people to the institutions for skilling, because His Excellency the President has directed that he needs not less than 2 million young people in the institutions. And therefore, CS Migos Ogamba and myself had a sitting some time back, and we agreed that we have to embark on ensuring that this directive by His Excellency the President was achieved.
Kuringana na Dr. Mworia ekirenge kenene ngine yakoreta ABASAE bonsi no nyambaria bokonyora wense elio korokie bigo byabo ao
because it is the commissioners, the county commissioners, the chiefs, the assistant chiefs, the ACCs who are the people in uko mashinani, and they are the people who know exactly where these people are. We need to bring everybody on board. There are those we call the NEETs, not in education, not in employment, and not in training. Those are the people we must reach out to, because believe you me, everybody has got a talent that we in the Tibet institutions must improve.
Niko murobiro yigahora chikokorekana cy'esukuru cy'obubundi imense ya Kenya nabo igakurigia abantu bomowe bo wanje kubarika bari abanyorera bumanyo bwo.
Our collaboration here today, we are checking. We are having a conversation with Gao, at least in Kisii and Nyamira for now, and we are going to roll this out across the country, where we are going to have conversations with this team between Tibet and Interior, so that we ensure everybody is brought to the institutions and get a skill, be it in plumbing, be it in carpentry, be it in joinery, be it in college. Everybody should be able to get a skill, and once they are able to get a skill, we are also making arrangements as a State Department, where we have been talking to the recruiters to come in and help us recruit them, so that we work with an end in mind. And this again is what His Excellency the President has required, that we give our young people a hope.
Sibono arukobole gocha sabo bisabo banga koreta ABASAE bange ere Gokinia bokoribwe biwanda na korosyo 10 yense.
That is why we want to work together as Gao, as Tibet, bring the young people to the institutions. For us, we are ready with the curricula, we are ready with the trainers, we are ready with the equipment, and we are ready to, all we want is to work with Gao now, to have all the young people come in, we skill them, and then we can have all this man that we need to grow our industries and to grow this country.
Reporteria Ensoko TV kurasi skuru y'obubundi ya Kisii nche Pethuel Machin.